The value of emotional safety. Many people hold back their true thoughts and feelings because they do not feel emotionally safe. When emotional safety is missing, connections weaken and self-protection replaces openness. Emotional safety creates the conditions where trust, honesty, and growth can flourish. I've seen that emotional safety begins when clients show up for themselves and others. When they listen without judgment and respond with respect, conversations deepen and walls soften. For me, emotional safety has become the foundation for meaningful relationships and personal growth. Action steps. Notice today how you respond when someone shares something vulnerable with you. Practice listening without interruption, fixing or minimizing their experience. Creating emotional safety, even in small moments, can strengthen trust and connection over time. If you would like support in building emotional, safe relationships at work or at home, please get in contact with me to book a personalized coaching or counseling session.